video is going to be about products that I bought from this brand called Body Cupid. In case you're interested to know more, then please keep on watching. Hi guys, this is Karen and welcome to Try It and Test It. I would really appreciate if you do support the channel by hitting on that subscribe button below and also by activating the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Now, Body Cupid is a brand that claims to have a wide range of organic bath and body products. And once again, the brand is free from any sort of parabens, SLS, as well as cruelty free. So I decided to buy my products this time from Body Cupid because I came across a lot of videos and the products were highly reviewed. Also, another thing was the packaging. The packaging for sure caught my attention. Today I'm going to be talking about the mint and tea tree body mist, the coconut milk and cocoa butter body lotion, and the aqua wave shower gel. So first up, I'm going to talk about the shower gel. Now you get 200 ml of this and it's priced at Rs 299. I'll be sharing links of all these products down in the description box below in case you ever want to go check them out. This shower gel comes in this blue tube and it has this golden flip cap on top. Now I did not find this travel friendly, and obviously it's not travel friendly because you wouldn't want to carry a 200 ml shower gel in your bag when you get like travel sized ones. But that's not the point. The cap is not very loose, neither is it very sturdy. And I noticed that a lot of the gel leaks out from the cap and creates a mess. Like even before filming the video, I had to clean the bottom half of the tube. That is one thing that is disappointing. So the product has a couple of ingredients, but the star ingredients in here are shea butter. Now shea butter, as we know it, is great for skincare. There is argan oil, which is considered a therapeutic goodness for the skin. There's vitamin B5, which helps in moisturizing the skin. And there is aloe vera gel, which helps hydrate the skin and also soothe any sort of inflammations or eruptions. As per the description of the product, this claims to remind you of the ocean surf and the summer fun. It's also said to give you a cool feeling that sort of tingles on your skin and tantalizes your senses. So you're supposed to take like a dollop of the shower gel on a wet washcloth, a loofah or a sponge. Squeeze and squish gently till lather begins to form. Massage gently all over the body and rinse off thoroughly. So I've been using this shower gel for less than a month, and what I noticed is it does not strip your skin of any moisture. As a matter of fact, it leaves your skin feeling hydrated and kind of smooth, which is absolutely great. So coming to the fragrance is such an important feature for me, especially in bath products, and the fragrance of this shower gel did not work for me. So I assumed that the fragrance was going to be nice and oceanic and aquatic and fresh, but it does have those aquatic notes in there. However, it's a little dense and the fragrance leans a little more towards a man's fragrance, and sometimes I do prefer men's fragrances over women's, but somehow this fragrance just did not work for me. Another important thing that probably a lot of you may want to know is if the scent lingers on your skin. Yes, it does, not for very long, and it's not a very strong scent, but it does linger for approximately 2 to 3 hours. So next is the coconut milk and cocoa butter body lotion. This is also priced at $299 and you get 200 ml of the product. The packaging is very similar to the shower gel with this golden cap on top. At the back you have the ingredients and the pricing and the description, all of that mentioned. I did not notice any product leakage over here, which is good. So this lotion claims to nourish your skin. It's also said to give your skin that nourishment without clogging your pores and protect the skin from any atmospheric damage. They're supposed to take a small quantity of the lotion and spread it evenly over freshly cleansed skin. Massage it gently using fingertips in circular motion. So I've been using this every day after a bath, and what I noticed is that it does hydrate your skin thoroughly, because there are certain areas, especially like the lower half of my leg, that were really dry, and because of the dry skin it would cause a lot of itchiness. But after using this lotion I saw like a major improvement. Fragrance again is something that I'm not happy with. It does have like a mild coconut scent to it, but it's mixed with something that smells very artificial. It smells a little like clay or plastic, and it's not unbearable, but it's just something that you wouldn't expect from a coconut and cocoa butter body lotion. You don't get that cocoa smell in there at all. The scent is very mild and it kind of fades away very soon. Another thing that I noticed is that even though this lotion is not too thick or not too runny, it does not absorb into the skin easily. You literally have to work your way through, and after that it feels like you've applied body butter on the skin. It kind of leaves that greasy finish. So the last product that I bought is this body mist. It's the mint and tea tree body mist. So this retails for $4.99 and you get 200 ml of the product. Now I'm going to jump straight into the fragrance because there's nothing much to say. I don't know what I was thinking when I chose this body mist because I do not like the flavor or the fragrance of mint at all. So I really don't know what made me buy this. Of course, I don't like how this smells and I'm not going to use it. I've actually given it to my mom. Also, I don't like the packaging of this one. The plastic felt a little thin and cheap. But one good thing that I noticed is that the fragrance for a body mist is quite strong. And once again, for a body mist, it does last pretty long. So overall, I found these products from Body Cupid to be great on the performance, but not the best when it comes to the fragrance. Alright, so that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know if there is any other products from any other brand that you would want me to try out. Do like this video and share it across with your friends and family. Please stay safe wherever you are, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.